Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this yellow trapezoid ABCD, as you can see in this diagram, such that this side length BC is 40 units and this diagonal AC is 96 and the angle between them is 90 degrees. And furthermore, this base AB is represented by 2 times x, whereas this base CD is x. And now our task is to calculate the area of this yellow trapezoid ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And in this video, I am going to share with you with 2 different approaches. So therefore, please watch the video till the very end. And here's our very first step. Let's recall the definition of a trapezoid. Sometimes we call it trapezium. A quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides. As you can see in this given diagram, this side AB is parallel to this side CD. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area equals to height h times the base is a plus b all over 2. And in our case, this side is our base A, this side is our base B, and this is the height h of this trapezoid. And now our dilemma is A is unknown, B is unknown, and h value is unknown as well. So therefore, we are going to think outside the box, and let's focus on this right triangle ABC. And let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half times base times height. And our base is 40 and our height is 96. So therefore, the area of this triangle ABC is going to be equal to a half times our base is 40 times 96. And if we simplify the right hand side, that is going to give us 1920. So therefore, the ABC triangle area turns out to be 1920 square units. And here's our next step. Let's make a comparison between the triangle ABC and the triangle ADC. This is our triangle ABC and this is our triangle ADC. And now we can see the area of this triangle ABC is 1920, whereas the area of this other triangle ADC is unknown. And now we can see the height of this triangle ABC is lowercase h, isn't it? And likewise, the height of this other triangle is lowercase h as well. So the height of both of these triangles is same. And we can see the base of this triangle ABC is 2 times x, whereas the base for this other triangle ADC is x. In other words, the base of this triangle ABC is twice as the base of this triangle ADC. So therefore, the area of this triangle ADC is going to be half of the area of this triangle ABC. So thus the area of this triangle ADC turns out to be 960 square units. So thus the yellow trapezoid area is going to be the sum of these 2 individual areas. I can write down 1920 and then plus 960. And if we add these numbers, that is going to give us 2880 square units. So thus the yellow trapezoid area turns out to be 2880 square units. And now I'm going to show you the second method. And now let's focus once again on this right triangle ABC, whose side lengths are 96 and 40. And now let's recall the Pythagorean triplets 5, 12 and 13. If I multiply all these numbers by 8 across the board, then our new sets of Pythagorean triplets are going to become 5 times 8 is going to give us 40, 12 times 8 is 96, and finally 13 times 8 is 104. And here these two sides are 40 and 96, so therefore this hypotenuse is going to be 104 units. So therefore our this length AB turns out to be 104, and this length CD is x, half of that one, so therefore this length is going to be half of 104, that is going to be 52. And here in this next step I have dropped a perpendicular CE, and we can see that this CE is the height of this triangle ABC. Let me go ahead and label this height H, and the area of this triangle ABC is 1920 square units. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area equals to a half times base times height. And in our case, our base is 104, our height is H, and the area is 1920. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this formula to calculate the height H. So this is going to be 1920 equals to 104 times H divided by 2. Let's go ahead and simplify. We're going to get 1920 equals to 52 times H. Let's go ahead and divide both sides by 52 to isolate H. So therefore our height H value, if we reduce this fraction, that is going to give us 480 divided by 13. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this yellow trapezoid. And now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula once again. Area equals to height H times A plus B all over 2. And in our case, our A value is 104, our B value is 52, and our height H value is 480 divided by 13. So therefore the area of this yellow trapezoid is going to be 480 divided by 13 times, we are going to write down 104 plus 52 divided by 2. And if we multiply and simplify, the area of this yellow trapezoid turns out to be 2880. So thus the area of this yellow trapezoid turns out to be 2880 square units by using this second method as well. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.